This simple bag trick will keep your lemons fresh for a whole month. As we all know, these citrus fruits are one of the healthiest fruits on the planet, and they are frequently used by people in the whole world, cause of their numerous health properties. They are loaded with vitamin C, so we can easily say that they are extremely useful in treating the common cold and flu, and even prevent more severe health problems such as kidney stones. The lemons also reduce the water retention in the human body, and they promote the function of the blood vessels. I'm guessing that most of us keep the lemons in a bowl in our kitchen or our living room. But that's the wrong way to keep lemons fresh. If you want to keep your lemon fresh, you need to preserve them in all different ways. We usually keep our tomatoes, onions and other vegetables in the refrigerator, although this will significantly reduce their taste and nutritional value as well. But we never keep lemons in the refrigerator, and that's our biggest mistake. Lemons will lose their flavor and nutritional value just after 1 week if we keep them on room temperature. But fortunately, we have the perfect solution for you. In this article we are going to show you how to keep your lemons fresh for a whole month. Here's what you need to do. If you want to keep your lemons fresh and juicy, you should put them in a sealed plastic bag or zip bag and keep them in the refrigerator. Well, you should know that this method will slow down, but it won't stop their respiratory process. Actually, the inhibition of the respiratory process of a plant will have reverse effects. This means that the plant will age in an accelerated way. So this is why you shouldn't freeze these citrus fruits, but you need to keep them in the refrigerator, which is also a balance between cold temperature and oxygen exposure. If you keep your lemons in plastic bag in the refrigerator, they will stay fresh for 1 month. You won't have to throw away the expired lemons which you usually keep in your living room or in your kitchen. Just store them in a plastic bag and put them in the refrigerator. The lemons will be fresh for 1 month. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
Cut 1 lemon in 4 parts, put some salt on it and put it in the middle of the kitchen. This trick will change your life. Lemon, well, we can easily say that lemon is one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. It's loaded with many healthy nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, and it can provide many health benefits. Lemon is loaded with many healthy nutrients such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B complex, as well as pectin, fibers, proteins and carbohydrates. The citric acid of lemon has strong antibacterial and antiviral power, and it also has immune stimulating powers that help keep us healthy. Many people around the world drink lemon water first thing in the morning, immediately after waking up. And they're right, it's very good for you and your health in general. How about you? Do you drink lemon water in the morning? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you that if you drink lemon water in the morning on empty stomach, it will provide amazing health benefits? It will help you boost your immune system and fight infection due to high levels of bioflavonoids, pectin, limonene A, citric acid, magnesium, calcium, and vitamins. You should also know that a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach first thing in the morning will help you with other things such as flushes the system, aids digestion, fights hunger cravings, promotes weight loss, and creates an alkaline forming environment to balance the body's pH. And now let's get back to our subject. Now we're going to show you why you should cut a lemon in 4 parts, pour some salt over it and leave it in the middle of your kitchen. Yes, and trust me, this amazing trick will change your life. As we said, cut the lemon in 4 parts, but don't cut it too deep, so the parts won't separate. Then you should apply 2 teaspoons of salt over the lemon and leave it in the kitchen. And now you probably ask yourself, why? Well, that's easy to answer. This simple trick will eliminate the bad odor and give a citric aroma to your kitchen. You will be amazed by the results. Or you can also make a powerful disinfectant. Here's what you need to do. Just mix the juice of 3 lemons, liquid soap and some salt. Mix these 3 ingredients in a spray bottle and use it to clean your kitchen. This powerful mixture will eliminate the bad smell and kill all harmful bacteria. You'll be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.